Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a Vivo phone, this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video, I will talk about and also I will unbox Vivo V40 smartphone. This is 256GB variant with 8GB of RAM. Actually, Vivo is making very good phones and the V series are the hot favorite. You will get a value for money product by spending around 36,000 rupees. If you have a bargaining power, you can well buy this device at about 34,000 rupees at current scenario. With this Vivo V40, you will get Zeiss lenses. I will talk about it later in this video. On opening the lid of this box, the first thing that you will get is the smartphone itself. I will unwrap the plastics of this smartphone later. After that, you will get the EMI barcodes, and after that you will get a very good cover. It actually feels very good in the hand. The quality of this cover is very good. It is a silicone cover and it matches with the color. After that, some documentations is there, and there is Type-C port, to be precise charging cable with Type-C port. Then there is a 80-watt power adapter, which is a very good thing. It can charge your device very quickly. After that, the last thing in the box is the SIM ejection tool. So these are the box contents. After that, I will peel off the plastics from this phone. So this is Vivo V40. It looks very well and it fits very well in the hand, and the color is purple, which is very cute color, I would say. And at the bottom you will get speaker, Type-C port and SIM tray, and also mouthpiece. Towards the right you will get power button and volume rocker. On the top there is secondary noise cancellation mic, and the professional portrait logo is there. Towards the left there is nothing. At the back you will get 50 megapixel Zeiss sensor and 50 megapixel OIS main camera with optical image stabilization, and the look of the camera module is very good, and there is Zeiss branding on the top of the camera. Towards the front you will get 50 megapixel Zeiss with group selfie up to 92-degree wide angle. Now let me boot up the device and show you how many storage is left after first boot up. But if you want to experience Vivo smartphone with ad-free experience, you have to uncheck some boxes. Now let me tell you which boxes you should uncheck so that you can get ad-free experience while using this Vivo V40 or any other Vivo phones. Actually, every brand silently pushes ads and smart suggestions, so you have to uncheck those boxes to get a smooth experience from the UI of every smartphone brand. You have to uncheck smart upgrade, automatically download options, personalized recommendations, and lock screen poster and TWS quick pairing. Now I will tick on gesture suggestions. Now it is complete. So now you will get an ad-free experience with this Vivo V40 smartphone. After first boot up, I can see that only 25.61 GB is used out of 256 GB, and out of this you can get, and also 6.41 GB is used out of 8 GB of RAM. You can see that 22 GB is used in system, and in apps there is 3.1 GB used. So you are getting a decent storage from this smartphone. After first boot up, I can see that there are some bloatwares, and the good thing is that you can uninstall those malware or bloatware from this smartphone. The UI feels very snappy as it comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate. You will have a very good experience while using this smartphone. As this is an AMOLED smartphone, you should not update it to the latest version, because after every update, phones like Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus and even Samsung are getting green line issue. The display quality of Vivo V40 is excellent. You can play HDR 4K 60 FPS videos on YouTube, and the quality of the display is top notch. And also there is stereo speakers, and the sound quality from the stereo speakers are also very good. So if you want to consume multimedia contents on this smartphone, it will be great. And this is the screen protector. It fits very well, and after installing this or after applying this protector, the phone doesn't feel bulkier. This is a very good thing, and also the grip is very good of this phone. I have not tested the camera thoroughly, but I can say that the camera of this smartphone is really well. I will make a dedicated camera review of this smartphone. I have took some sample shots, and in this shot you can see that this is taken by the main sensor of Zeiss lenses, and the blur effect is excellent. Also you can adjust the level of bokeh after taking the shots, and you can increase or decrease the blur effect from this photo. So this is also a very cool feature. After taking every image, it applies some software processing, and after that you will get a very smooth and softened picture. If you are interested, I will make a dedicated camera review of this smartphone and also give you battery test and the display test. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel with your friends and family members. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.